Hello, are you guys looking for create your first WordPress website locally on your laptop and desktop? So you are on the right video. I will show you how you can install and set up WordPress locally. Let's get started. First, we need to install WordPress. So this is the link for install WordPress. And you can see the latest version is available here, which is 6.1.1. Download, just click download. So this has been downloaded. The other thing that we use to set up our WordPress website, this is XAMPP. XAMPP basically it is a server. It provides you a server and also a database. So it's also available for your Mac and Linux system. Download as per your requirement. It will take about 2 minutes. It's done. Now if I show you my download folder, here you can see the both setups are in my download directory. Now it's time to set up our XAMPP server. Double click on it. So this is the welcome page for XAMPP. Ignore this warning. Just next, make sure to check all the boxes, and next here we will select the path where we can use for keep our software. Next, and it will take around 5 minutes, so be patient. It will ask you for permission, allow the access. So it's done. So just finish this setup. Now we will start our Apache and MySQL database server. Also ask you for allow the access. It's time to copy our zip file for WordPress and go to our XAMPP folder. Here you can see the folder named as htdocs, and here we paste our zip file. And extract here. You can see the folder has been created named as WordPress. Rename it if you want, otherwise it's good to go. So it's done. Now it's time to create a new database for our website, because we don't have any database for our website. So this is the Phpmyadmin panel. Here we will create new database. Just name the database and simply click on create button, and your database will create it. I will provide all the URLs in my description, so you guys don't worry. Now if I just search my folder that I was created with the name of Hello World, this time you can see it's loading. There you go. We are all on this page to set up our website. So just these are the simple steps that you can follow. Just one thing, remember, you should remember that folder name that you created on the time of your XAMPP server setup. And the other thing that you should remember is when you create your database, so remember your database name. So these are the simple steps. Username always use if you just creating your website for testing, so you can use admin as your first username. Email, I'm using random email. So if you guys are use this website for future, so you should enter your proper email address. Nothing special, just log into your WordPress dashboard, admin, and the password is admin. Click login, and you can see we are here on the dashboard of WordPress website. And now if I show you my website, there are two different URLs that you will use to open your dashboard or your WordPress website. So this is the URL that I'm using for my website, and now I will show you how you can see your dashboard login page. Sorry, yes, this is the dash. Yeah, there you go. So this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoying. So please like, comment, and share my video, and I will see you guys in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.